Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to talk about something really serious that recently happened to me. I got scammed, and I lost my VALORANT account. This video is to warn you all about the dangers out there and how you can protect yourselves. Let's dive in. So, it all started with this YouTube Shorts video that promised free VALORANT skins.
Valorant's official Twitter account posted a strange post and deleted it just a couple of hours later. As the quick-witted players later found out, it turned out to be a promo code for getting a bundle. Just go to the website, select the set, and enter the decrypted promo code SUMMER24. Enjoy it.
As a huge VALORANT fan, I was instantly hooked. The video had thousands of views and looked pretty legit. They asked me to visit a website and log into my account to claim the skins. I should have known better, but I went ahead and did it. And that's when everything went wrong. The website looked very professional, but it was a complete fake. As soon as I logged in, they changed my password and email address, locking me out of my own account. I lost all my progress, my skins, and everything. It was devastating. But I want to turn this negative experience into something positive by sharing it with you guys, so it doesn't happen to you. Here are some tips on how to spot scams and protect your accounts. Pay close attention because these scams are getting more sophisticated. First, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Free skins? Come on, we all know that's not how things work. Second, always check the website's URL. Scammers often create websites that look very similar to the real ones, but there will be subtle differences in the web address. Third, use two-factor authentication wherever possible. This adds an extra layer of security to your accounts. Fourth, do a quick search about the offer or the website. If it's a scam, there's a good chance that someone else has already reported it. And finally, never, ever share your account details with anyone, especially not on websites or through links you received from unknown sources. If you do get scammed, it's important to act quickly. Here are some steps you should take immediately. First, contact the platform's customer support. Let them know what happened and provide all the details. They may be able to help you recover your account. Second, change your passwords on any other accounts that might be affected. Use strong, unique passwords for each account. Third, run a security check on your devices. Scammers sometimes install malware to gain further access to your personal information. Fourth, report the scam website to the appropriate authorities or platforms. This helps prevent others from falling victim to the same scam. And finally, spread the word. Share your experience with friends and family to make them aware of the dangers out there. The internet can be a dangerous place, but with a little caution, you can keep yourself safe. Remember, always double-check before you click, and don't let your guard down. Stay safe out there, gamers. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let's keep the gaming community safe and scam-free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. This video is for educational purposes only. Always be cautious online and never share your personal information with untrusted sources.